Hello everyone, this is a quick tips. Today in this video I will show you how to insert 3D file Solidworks into Microsoft PowerPoint. We will use 3D models tools. But first, we must save this 3D file to STL file. Like this. Go to Save As, change to STL file, click Save. Yes, and go to Microsoft PowerPoint, active 3D models, click this file, open this file. See? You can do like this. Just find the right view. See? Maybe this one. See? Now you know how to insert 3D file into PowerPoint. That is quick tips. See ya!